Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And for this video, we're going to look at an accessory we can adapt for Heroclix Play. Let's go! Okay, so we have here what we call life counters. Set of 4 dials per pack from GameGenic.com. Okay. Counter size 54 mm, and you can see that there are 4 dials, all counting from 0 to 21. Okay, I think this one is a accessory used for Magic the Gathering. Okay, but 21 is also a relevant number in Heroclix. Okay, I say that, and you can see here I purchased this for 1,200. I had to split. This is pesos, so I had to split this with Larry and Knight. So, because you only need one of this for Heroclix. Okay, so 4 premium acrylic life counters. Life count 0 to 21. Multicolor pack contains 4 fancy and appealing colors: orange, pink, lime, and black. Truck commander, combat damages, life or victory points for countless board games and TCGs, LCGs. So I guess Heroclix would also count when we talk about the board games that it can be used for. Okay, so let's open it. And as I said, I had to split this with Larry and Knight. Okay. And I got the pink one and the lime one. Then, okay. So it's a straightforward counter. You can count from 1 to 21. Or I think for Magic the Gathering, they usually count from 21 all the way down to 0 for the life points. Okay, so as I said, this can be used for Heroclix Play. Okay, because number 21 is relevant in Heroclix because that's the number of what we call mission points you have to earn as an alternate win condition. Okay, I have here a couple of figures I would like to share with you guys. Okay, so first we have Kate Pryde from the X-Men X of Swords set, and we're not gonna talk about everything about this figure. We're only gonna focus on this one, the mission points. So mission points, the game ends. Okay, let me see if I can zoom it closer. Yeah, no, the game ends when, after resolution of any action, a player has achieved 20 or more mission points. Okay, so I stand corrected. We only need 20 mission points. Okay, from any source. If the game ends this way, the winner is determined by the player with the most mission points. In the case of a tie, the active player wins. Okay, and for Kate Pryde, okay, so she has the power to and other marauders have the ability of free if this effect has not been used this turn, and if this character occupies an opposing player's starting position or starting area, generate a stranded mutant bystander. And that stranded mutant bystander you can see here. Okay, that mutant bystander has free if stranded mutant occupies your starting area. Remove it from the game and gain 4 mission points. Okay, so basically you have to rescue 5 of these stranded mutants, generating it from your opponent's starting area and bringing it to your own starting area to gain 4 mission to win the game. 4 times 5, 20 mission points. Okay, so That's one way to earn a mission point. We also can earn the mission point, like for another example here, Nimrod the Lesser. Okay, he has the trait upload humanity to the phalanx. Power, remove any number of rally dice from friendly characters. For every 2 dice removed this way, gain 1 mission point. Okay, so 1 mission point, so you have to remove 40 dice to win via mission point. Okay, so because you need again 20 or more. Okay, and you can have multiple mission point characters to earn the points quicker. Okay, and the last one I wanted to share is Fabian Cortez, the legacy card. He has a trait, he will serve our cause much better as a martyr. When Fabian Cortez KOs a friendly character with his overload trait, gain 1 mission point per 50 full points of the character's cost, up to a maximum of 5 mission points. So if you are able to KO 4 characters of 50 points each, okay, using the overload trait of Fabian Cortez, then you automatically again win the game, because by then you have earned 20 mission points. So again, it's a new mechanic in Heroclix, alternate win conditions aside from points or wiping out your opponent, and this can help track that. Okay, so I have a couple of this. I only need one. I'll probably trade or sell the other one. So if you're from the Pinoy Heroclix community and you're interested, shoot me a PM. PM is the key. For now, bye bye everyone!